Hey there, welcome to 90 Second Tech. And I'm super excited to guide you through the process of going live on TikTok. So let's dive right in. First things first, to go live on TikTok, you need to meet a couple of requirements. You've gotta be 18 or older. And it's party time when you hit 1,000 followers. Once you check those boxes, you're good to roll. Now, let's find that magical TikTok Live option. Open up the app, tap the plus sign at the bottom, and then hit Live. Easy peasy, right? Alright, let's set up your TikTok Live experience. Add a catchy title to let everyone know what you're up to during your stream. Spice it up by choosing a topic category like music, beauty, fashion, fitness, or whatever floats your boat. Want to spice things up further? Encourage your viewers to send you virtual gifts to support your stream. Set a live goal, describe it, pick a gift, and let the good vibes roll. Now, let's talk tech. Flip between your front and back camera, enable dual camera mode. Enhance your appearance and throw in some special effects. Get creative. And hey, share the love by sending a link to your stream to your friends. Sharing is caring after all. In the Live Center, you'll find the Live Academy with tips from TikTok and the Live Events area to schedule streams for later. Use the Promote tool to run ads and get your stream noticed. Feeling interactive? Create polls for your viewers, add moderators, and even support a nonprofit organization. TikTok has got it all. Ready to hit that live button? Once you're set up, tap Go Live and let the streaming adventure begin. Still with me? Awesome! While you're streaming, you can flip your camera, share the live, and jazz things up with enhancements like retouching, special effects, and more. Keep an eye on the viewer count in the top right corner, read comments, and run polls to keep the party going. When it's time to wrap it up, hit the power button, tap End. And voila! Stats about your stream, including views, likes, and duration, will pop up. And that's a wrap for our guide on going live on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join us for more awesome tech tutorials. Thanks for watching!